Alex thought he was good with money, paid his bills on time, stayed out of credit card debt, even had a little saved up. Then one Sunday, he checked his bank statement and saw something that stopped him cold. $400. Gone. Every single month. Not stolen, not lost, quietly drained by things he forgot he was paying for. This is called subscription creep, and it's happening to almost everyone right now. It starts innocently enough. A streaming service here, a fitness app there, a cloud storage plan you signed up for 2 years ago, a new subscription you raid once, a premium version of an app you use for free anyway. Each one feels like nothing. Together, they're bleeding your paycheck dry. Let's do the math most people never do. The average American has 4 to 5 streaming services. That's already $55 a month. Add a gym membership they don't use, 2 or 3 software subscriptions, a meal kit that auto-pays every week. Suddenly you're at $400 a month. That's $4,800 a year on things you probably don't even remember signing up for. Here's what Alex did and what you can do today. Hey, Step 1. Pull up your last 2 bank statements, not 1, 2. Because some subscriptions charge every 60 days. Highlight every recurring charge, every single one. Step 2. Put them in 3 buckets. Use it regularly. Keep it. Used it once this month. Maybe bucket. Haven't touched it in 30 days. Cancel it today. Step 3. Set a cancellation alarm. Every time you start a free trial, set an alarm for 1 day before it charges. This one habit saves most people $200 a year minimum. Alex ran his own audit that Sunday, found 11 subscriptions he'd forgotten about, canceled 7 of them that same day, recovered $340 a month. That's $4,080 a year. Money that was already his. He just stopped losing it. Your turn. Run your audit this week. Pull up your statements. Use the 3 buckets. Set your free trial alarm from this day forward. Drop your biggest canceled subscription in the comments. And if this opened your eyes, subscribe, because next week we're talking about the spending leak most people never catch.